Now I'll show you. Die already. Just die. Done for. You're only gonna leave some marks. Go. Now I'll show you. Make sure to say hi to God. Alright? Make sure to tell him I'm coming for him next. The power of Satan will eventually someday overthrow him. And I sure will make a good first impression. Die already! You really are trying, aren't you? Wow, that's way stronger than last time. I will end you! It's starting to get a little difficult to say hello to God. Tell Satan I said hello. After I'm fighting in this area. I'm done with you. Right now. Because you won't be seeing God. And we're going to stay here until one of us loses this guy. You're done. Get out of here already. You know you can't beat me. I can't wait. Make sure to have a good first impression too. I'll never die you. You'll really add some trouble for them. You'll make their jobs a whole lot easier. Just leave. Hey, you know you can't win.